In this video, we are going to learn how to make this mechanism in Solidworks. So let's start. So first thing that I need to do is I need to make a base. So I will select the front plane. Let's what I will do. Click on here, new part. Okay, and I will select the front plane. Press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Great. Now I will use set rectangle and draw the rectangle shape like this. Give it a height length as per your requirement. In my case, I'm give it 400, and this one will be 100 is fine for me. Escape, select this point and zoom in and select the center point here by pressing Ctrl and make it once. Now go to the extrude, 10 is fine, click OK. Exit the sketch mode, click on here, click on edit now. In asymmetric, power transmission, gears, select this per gear. As you can see, my per gear is shown and it has 20 number of teeth. Let's make it 2. Now it's a little bit visible, and if I go down and normally shaft diameter, make it 10. Now it looks much better. Click OK and close it. Now drag the rack. One thing that you always need to make sure when you making rack and pinion or any other gear mechanism, to make sure that they are matched properly, their module must be same. So the module of this gear is 2, so this must be also 2. Go downwards, increase its length as per your requirements. In my case, 220, 220 is fine for me, or let's make it 230 is fine for me. Move downwards, pitch height is fine, length, let's make it 10. This height is increased, and let's see what I need to do right now. I think this much is fine for me right now, and I will click OK and close this. Now let's see what kind of things that I want. First thing that I want is I want a plane where my gear will be placed. Another thing is something that on which this rack to be placed. So let's see what I can do. So first thing that I will do is I will make something where I can place this my gear. So I will select this one, click on add components. Now I will modify it correctly and much better. Press Ctrl plus 8. Okay, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8. Select this plane, sketch, and 5, 10, 400. Okay, and I needed one more things, some more things. For example, a platform where this gear will be placed, and some places where these rack will be placed. So I will modify it later onwards. First, let's make a platform on which this rack will be placed. So edit the this mode and select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. What I'm going to do is click on here, new part, OK, and select the front plane. Now I will click on here, draw the sketch as I'm showing. Make sure its width is smaller than this gear, and make it 30. This length can be made as per your requirement. In my case, 60 is fine for me. And 30 mm, 15 mm. Features extrude post base, 20 mm. Make it 10 mm. Click OK. Select this face. Click on sketch. 5, 10. Escape. Select the middle point and this point. Make it concentric. Oh, coincide. Features extrude cut through all. Select this face. Click on sketch. Draw a circle here. Make its diameter 10 mm. Extrude 10 mm. Okay. And some little more modification that I need. I will select this face. Click on sketch. Now what I will do. mm, Make shape like this. Now give it a dimensions as per my requirements. You can give it as per your requirements, no issues. 20 mm, 3.5 mm, 15 mm, 5 mm, 2.5 mm, 7.5 mm. Extruded through all. Exit it, move it upward. Let's do the mating part. Select this face and this face. Click OK. And I will select this face and this face. Click OK. Select this gear and this one. Make it concentric. Click OK. Select this face and this face. So now I have a gear that can move forward, backward. One thing that I want to do is I want to make this platform fixed. So right click, make it fixed. So now it can't be moved. That basically I want, but it can be moved. Let's see the other task. Now what I want to place this gear correctly so that you can, it can do the work as I my requirement. So what I can do, so go to the mate, select this face and this face. Okay, move it here. But how much exactly? That's the main question. So let's, before I move forward, let's make it float so it can be moved. Let's place it correctly. So what I will do, click on, no, not here. Uh, so this is the part. I will select the front plane, click on mate, and I will select the top plane of the assembly. Click OK. Similarly, I will select the right plane and the right plane of the assembly. Click OK. Let's select the front plane and the front plane. Click OK. Pause it. Now I will select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now let's move it forward here a little bit. Now I want it in such a way that it's meshed correctly. So the main question is what should be the distance? That's the important question. So I will right click, I will click on here and notice this part. This is the most important one. So right click, click on show. So what I need to do is right now is I will select the right plane, click on show here as well, and select this edge, go to the evaluate, measure, and let's select this circle, no issues. Notice the green line, that is the distance. So it must be 22.17 mm. So let's see how I can do it. Assembly, mesh. I will select this face and I will select the this face. Distance is how much? 22.17 mm. 22.17 mm. Click OK and close this. Now it can move forward, backward, nothing else. Not upward, downwards, only forward, backward. That's a great thing. But in my case, I'm going to be fix this part. And first, let's hide this because I don't want to see it. Uh, right click, hide. So I will right click on it, click on fix. I will make it their supporter let onwards, not right now. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now by pressing Ctrl, drag this part, rotate components, click OK, select this face and this face, click OK, select this face and this face. Just make it parallel, not coincide. Select this face and the top plane, but make a distance how much? 22.17 mm. Click OK. Now here basically exactly what I want. So I want this gear to be fixed, but this can be moved. So I will not be going to use, the gear mates. I will use Solidworks simulation for this. So first I will right click on this. Okay, it's already fixed, so I have no worries, but it is not fixed. So first let's make, rotate this and align properly. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Is it aligned? Yes, no issues. Now move it here and align it as well. As you can see, both are aligned. That's a great thing. Now I will modify this component to make it, to make it more compatible to with this one. So let's see what I will do. I will select this component, go to the features, select this face, click on sketch. Make sure no external reference is checked on. This is the most common mistakes done by my viewers. So yeah, please keep in mind in that. Escape doesn't matter the dimension because it is going to be used to fix the platform. So click on extrude. As you can see, it's there, and make it 20 mm. Click OK. Looks good to me. Uh, Now what I need to do is select this face, click on sketch. I need to make something, that basically helps it to move forward, backward. So let's make it as a separate part. So what I will do right now is let's select this face, click on here, sketch, 10 mm, extrude up to 5 mm. Now I will make a part that basically, carry it out this one. So click on here, new part. Okay. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, make sure no stuff is on. So what I will do, just make up to this point. Features, extrude, reverse direction, offset 10 mm, extrude 10 mm, increase the thickness. Okay, now select this face, click on sketch, features, extrude up to surface. Okay, I think this one will become a little bigger, that's the issue. So what I will do, click on here, edit the sketch mode, select this line, make it vertical. I think it's already coincide with it, so no issue will be there. Yeah, that's great. Now I need something that basically, move it forward, backward to it. So what I can do, I can create a suspension rod and just a suspension rod and connect with it. That's all I need, I guess. So what I will do, uh, let's select this, click on add components, select the face. Oh, select. Okay, I don't know which face I select. So I will select this face, click on sketch, first draw the center line, escape, escape, for extrusion, aligned, direction 2, click OK. And let's see what I have to do. Okay, my bad. I have done a mistake. Basically, this one is not for road because road is going to rotate, moving part. So my bad. So right click, I will delete this. Sketch will be there. That's basically what I want. Now, based on that, I will create the suspension cylinder. So I will click on here, sketch, and check the merge result because it doesn't matter to us. Now I will create that road that basically move it forward backward. Click on here, new part. Okay, next one reference must be checked on. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Wait, that's direction 2, click OK. Select the right plane, click on sketch. Extrude 10 mm. Notice it's not at the correct place. Or make it 5 mm first. Go here, offset. Yeah, no, it's a little bit okay. Close it. Now right click, edit feature, and make this forward a little bit here. Click OK. Exit it. Press Ctrl plus 8. Now I need to make the mates. So I will select this. Sorry, my bad. Select the circular face. Select this face and this face, and select this face and this face. So if I move forward, backward, it can move in the same direction as well. So first thing that I need to do is make sure that they align correctly. So I will make it position up to here. I think this is fine. Now let's select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Uh, Go to the motion study, click on linear, select this face, distance. For now, we know that the diameter is 40. I want to make it one rotation complete. So it will be pi into 2 into 40, 251.23 mm. If you guys don't know about how this comes up, message me in the just DM me, DM not DM. I will say comment it. I will do the explanation part. Now click on here, use contact groups, select this one and this one. Okay, and select this one and this one. Okay. Uh, I think, yeah, notice that it can be moved freely. I don't want it. Select this face and this face, and Ctrl plus 8. Just align it properly. Yeah. Now if I go to the Solidworks add-ins, Solidworks motion analysis, click on calculate. Okay, that's got beyond the capacity of it. So let's, okay, there are more issues. Let's fix those first. Assembly, clear selection, select this face and this face, click OK, close it. Go to the motion study, yes. Click calculate. Let's reduce the distance. Let's make it 200 mm. Calculate. So I think what's actually happening is it's going beyond its limit. So I go to the 6 seconds and make the motor off so that it get proper output. Hmm. Okay, what is going on here? Let's try to understand. Have you heard the term called moment of inertia or inertia? So if a body is in motion, it will be always in motion until unless some external force is applied. So when the motor starts, it gets the motion. Now it will not going to stop until unless there is some external force. So that's the reason it is going moving forward. Now what I basically want to achieve is the animation part. I'm not going to do very much complexity. So how you think I should approach? Let's try to another approach. Click on here, edit feature, reduce the distance to 100. Now it's working. Basically, the motor stopped here. It's want to move forward, but it can't because the limit is there. So that's for now. Now let's make it some fancy colors to make it a little good. Appearance plastic, high gloss plastic because why not? Let's use some metals. Which bras look much better here? Right click disable the orientation. Okay, I don't want this. I want the view something like this. So yeah, that's for all. If you guys have any kind of doubt and query, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.